Hello lovelies, how are you? Thank you for joining me again. I want to do abstract nails today, so abstract colour block nails. And the beauty of it when you're doing abstract nails is that you can, anything goes. And in this case, I've no idea where I'm going with it, but firstly I want to show you the May collection from Madam Glam, and then I'm going to use those to do these abstract nails designs. So hope you enjoy it, settle down, grab yourself a cuppa. So let's swatch these. These are the 5 colours from the Blossom Glow. You know the name of this collection? I don't know if you ever have it where something just gets stuck, or should I say, will not get stuck in your head. I must have had to look at the title of this about 3 times. I keep thinking, what were it? Oh God, it's an age thing, I think. So, of my 5, I chose these 2, which are the frosty, pearly ones, and these 3. So, I can't even tell you at the time of filming this how many there is in the set. There's usually 8, so, yeah. If it's any different to that, I'll put it up. But these are the ones I've got. I thought this looked like a corally pink. I thought that looked beautiful. And then the frosty ones. So, we'll swatch these. So I'll start with this one, which is called Pink Elegance. So, oh yes. Oh, I love that. I love that corally colour. This one is Mother's Muse. Oh, I don't know if you can hear the dogs. A lady next door's got 3 or 4 dogs. I can't remember, it changes. I don't know if she dog sits as well. But they've obviously all come out into the back garden. And they're having a bit of a scrap, I think. Yeah. Oh, Mother's Muse, I like that. That's nice. That coral one I've just put in the lamp looks neon. This one looks like a neon-y red. Infinite Love. Or Infinite, if that's how you say it. Oh, blooming egg. Oh, that smacks you in the face, doesn't it? Goodness me. Wow. So this is Mums and Mimosas. I'd love to be in think tank when they sit thinking up these names. Just to see what the banter's like. This is a very peachy yellow. And another frosty one, Lilac Moments. That's a nice colour, I like that. That's that would be beautiful with the darker purple or silver even. They look nice together, those. So I'll give them all a second coat and a top coat, and I'll come back and show you. These are the 5 colours that I've just swatched for you in that order. So you've got your 2 frosty ones and those. So they've had 2 coats and then a top coat. But I've had a bit of a surprise while I was doing this. I had a knock on the door and the postman's come again. And yeah, they've made have a bit of a slip up at Madam Glam, and they've sent me some of the collection again and another colour which I didn't have. So they've sent me 4 of those, and I can't remember which ones now. And this one. And the reason I can't remember is because I've just put them straight in the giveaway drawer. So I've not even opened them. So there's 4 of these. I can't remember which ones. Going in the drawer for when I do my next giveaway. And this other colour, I've already swatched it. And it's Neon Beauty. It's fabulous green. So, yeah. So, I'm actually showing you 6 today, which is great because I can add that to it and get this set done. So, apart from abstract, I might try and fit a couple of flowers in because it's, you know, blossom glow. Yeah, so I've got some almond-shaped tips ready, and I've also got out this lovely base colour, which is called Shaka. Yeah, it's a gorgeous colour. So I'm going to do that on a few of the nails, leave a couple blanks. I'm not sure if I'm doing them in a full colour as yet, but I'm going to do this as my background on these. So these tips are already brushed, or you can buff them, or you can put some primer on. And I'm just going to shoot landing window because next door neighbour's dog's barking again. So they've had 3 coats, no, 2 coats, 3 nails, 2 coats, and I just want to put some little tiny dabs of glitter, not glitter, foil. Get myself sorted in a minute. Just little bits. And I'm going to put them into that tacky layer. I'll get some colours on the palette. I'm going to use the brighter colours. So, not sure how much I'll need at the minute because I'm going to use a liner brush. But I'm just going to go with the flow. Sometimes I like to plan nails. I've got some a little sort of stencil thing with different shaped nails on that I can do some planning on, but sometimes I just like to wing it, and I like all these colours, so I can't make my mind up. I'm not going to use the green on it, I don't think. Or shall I? No. So I'm going to use this petal brush, so it'll be a bit quicker since I'm doing colour block. So this one's going to have this lilac, and just wherever my hands take me. Yeah, might as well stick them in while I do the others. And I'm going to get a dotting tool. I'm going to do the darker coloured dots on here and have a look. Yeah. I've just got some white gel paint on there, and I've got my own brush, but I want it to stay open. I don't want it to kind of shut. So I'm just going to splay it a bit and pick up some. That's it. And I want them to come down. That's it. So now I'm just going to put a blooming gel over these. I'm going to pull it a bit thin at the edges and most in the middle. So this one's mostly pale pink and the lilac, so I'm doing dark pink on this one. So 1, 2, 3. This one's going to be the pale pink, or the paler pink, should I say. Then nobody come talking to me, so I ended up carrying on painting while I was talking. So what I decided was I needed to bring green in, so I've just put a couple of green stripes on and some green dots in the middle, and I've outlined the flower in white, so that's what I'll do in this one. So super fine brush and the painting gel, and I want to make sure I haven't got any blob on the end of my brush. And I'm going to go from the middle. Just outline wherever those petals went. And then what I've done is very fine line from the middle out. Right, so I've just cleaned that thin brush off. I'm going to put some green. So I'm just adding to these white stripes. That's it. And tiny dotting tool. So this one I'm going to do some purple stripes and then some white stripes. So just rough. Yeah. So again, I've just put a bit of gold on the tacky labour. I've put it at the bottom on that one and the middle on that one. And then I'm going to do dots to bring those dots in. So actually I need a thing to wipe my brush on. Get in. That's it. go. Same on this one. So here's the finished set. Abstract, floral, lovely set of colours this time. Great variety in them. So you'll either be VIP, in which case you can get 50% off, or use the discount code, which will be below, and it is 35%. So I hope you've enjoyed it, everybody. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me this through. I look forward to seeing you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and that'll help me out enormously. So take care. Love you loads. Bye.